most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schultz, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
Together
therapist.
we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
The title of this video is Simplest Taping Technique Ever for Plantar Fasciitis. This video is a part of a series of videos on plantar fasciitis, and if you want to see the full series, go to bobandbrad.com under our program section, and it'll be there.
Sure.
So why tape your foot? And first off, you probably should get approval from your doctor if you're under a doctor's care
Sure.
to make sure he thinks it's going to be okay, or she thinks it's going to be okay, or your podiatrist. But generally, we're going to try to find out whether or not providing arch support to your foot is going to help it feel better.
Right.
Because
So if you tape like this and you clearly get some improvement, it feels good. Because the tape's not going to last that long. It's going
Right.
to a day or so. Then you need some arch supports that you can put in your shoes and then have that support there all the time.
yeah, or if you're one that for some reason can't use an insole or an arch support,
Sure.
maybe, I don't know if it doesn't fit in your shoe, or maybe you wear real fashionable shoes, you know,
That's a good point, Bob.
then maybe you're going to need to tape for a while.
I think they call them pumps or something like that.
Sure, we don't know, but all right. So materials, we're kind of particular about this. You're probably going to need what we call cover roll. This is a 2-inch cover roll. You can get this on Amazon or any of the big box stores. It's called that's the cover roll.
Yeah,
right
yeah.
there. The cover roll, and this is going to help. It's a lot less irritating to the skin to put this on.
Some people call it a pre-tape.
Sure.
Put that on first, and then you put the actual tape that's going to do the mechanical.
Yeah, this is doing is protecting the skin.
Mhm.
This is not doing anything as far as providing arch support. This is the one that's going to give you some actually stretch and pull up and make the arch. And that's called a leukotape P, I guess is what it's called on this one. But
Right.
it's a real strong tape.
Yeah. This, don't get it confused with kinesio tape. That tape actually
Right,
stretches it.
stretches.
It is not going to give you the information or the support
Give
that
the
you
arch
need.
support, right?
Mhm.
That would not work. You're exactly right. So very simple technique here. So I've already got a great arch, but nonetheless, we're going to show you the technique anyway. So you take the cover roll and cut off some slices here. I'm going to make a mess of this, Brad.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
If you get it to stick.
If you get it stick, and I recovered, luckily.
So it has a backing that is split. You just peel off, but like, as you can see, you have to do it carefully so it
Yeah, you look at the,
doesn't wrinkle.
if you can go down here, Liz. So there's the head of the metatarsal here, kind of a big bump here. I would go below that, closer to your body.
Mhm.
And again, this one's not doing anything right now except protecting the skin. So I'm going to put one there. It's going to wrap up to the top of the foot.
You can pull it snug. You don't want
Yeah, you can.
wrinkles in it, but you're not really
And
pulling hard on
I've
it.
got some wrinkles in there, Brad, but they'll be okay. So, and then I'm going to go a little further down in the arch yet and wrap it up around the top here. So just 2 pieces of tape into the arch. And now I'm going to go ahead and take the leukotape. I already cut some off here. And I'm going to start down again, down in the arch. And I'm going to pull and bring it up and around.
Pulling up over the top of the
Yeah.
foot.
Could have been a little bit longer even on that, but this will still do the job. And the second one, I'm going to go ahead and again start in the arch and again pull.
Pull up
Yep,
and over.
pulling this way.
And you can lap it a little bit. That's not a problem.
And that is all you do.
Right. Now, this tape, you'll know you got the right tape because when you pull it, it is really hard to pull off. It really has a good adhesive. One warning is it's possible that if you're allergic to adhesives, Band-Aids and stuff, don't even try this.
Yeah, if you're very sensitive, your skin is very sensitive. Brad and I use this tape all the time on
Mhm.
people who have problems with their kneecap. And I've had people use this tape
Mhm.
for weeks without a problem. And all of a sudden, third week, the skin became irritated.
Sure.
And sometimes it becomes quite irritated. I mean,
Yeah.
red. And so if you feel any itching or irritation, you got to take the tape
Right.
off. And if it's red, like if you see a red mark on there, I'm sorry, you're just not going to be able to tape on a regular
Right.
basis.
Yep. So
It's,
yeah,
so
it should feel comfortable, especially in your shoe after you get some perspiration in there.
so when I stand now, and Brad, you've already taped your foot
Yep.
too. When we stand here, you can feel it's pulling and it's holding that arch up.
Yep.
And you know, if you have plantar fasciitis and throughout the day it's wanting to heal, and then you step on it and it breaks open again, this will help prevent that. This will give you the support so it
Yep.
doesn't break open as
Well.
easy. So it's a great thing to try. We'll have links, you know, on the website for these two products. And again, check out the other videos as part of this series.
There you go.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
watching.